On-site and at home, the right tools are essential for any project. Whether you're an electrical engineer, wiring up a brand new system for a customer, or a weekend warrior working on projects at home, screwdrivers, wrenches, and pliers are necessary parts of your tool bag. So why not go with the best? Wera and Wiha are industry leaders. Both are German-engineered tools designed for comfort and efficiency, and they have extensive tool catalogs to fit any need. Let's learn more about these two powerhouses and why you can't go wrong with either choice. WERATOOL was founded in 1936 in Wuppertal, Germany, and has been innovating ever since. The Tool Rebels developed the Kraftform handle in 1968. It was the first ergonomic handle in the industry. Ergonomics is a large part of Wera's innovation strategy, as they continually develop their products with the user in mind. Since then, they've grown their offering substantially, including Zyklop ratchets and Joker wrenches. While offices are still located in Germany, these tools are manufactured in the Czech Republic, plus other locations across Europe and Asia. WIHATOOL was founded in 1939 and is based in Skonach, Germany. In 1947, they launched their line of screwdrivers and haven't looked back. Wiha's precision screwdrivers were the first in the hand tool industry. Developed for professional tradespeople, these tools are tested to outlast the competition and ensure your investment in efficiency. WIHATOOL has facilities throughout Europe and Asia as well. WIHATOOL USA is based in Monticello, Minnesota, and distributes tools for North, Central, and South America. Automation Direct continues to add offerings from their extensive line of products. Since both companies have similar products, let's compare the Wera Kraftform insulated screwdriver and the Wiha soft finish insulated screwdriver. Both are VDE insulated and tested at 10,000 volts AC and rated at 1,000 volts AC for safety. Both tools feature ergonomic grips, Wera's Kraftform and Wiha's soft finish. Both have anti-roll-off tips. The Wera screwdrivers are laser-tipped, while Wiha is machine-tipped. Both are highly accurate. The Wera screwdrivers are slimmer than their Wiha variants, but the Wiha screwdrivers feature a handle molded directly to the blade for a permanent bond. When it comes down to it, both Wera and Wiha are evenly matched quality competitors. At Automation Direct, we carry both Wera and Wiha products. You can have the best of both worlds. Screwdrivers, pliers, ratchets, wrenches, and more are available now at AutomationDirect.com. Visit us online today to see our Wera and Wiha selections and add them to your tool bag.
Click here to see more videos from AutomationDirect.com. Click here to learn more about the tools we offer.